My name is Jason Golston. I'm the diesel technology instructor at Itawamba Community College. Students that graduate my program should have basic knowledge in diesel engines, electrical electronic systems, advanced brake systems, powertrains, steering and suspension, and heavy equipment, hydraulics, and electrical systems. We take students in the fall semester, which will be in August of every year. We'll take in about 18 to 20 first-year students. The program is 2 years, so during that 2 years, the students can achieve a Associates of Applied Science degree, or they can go for a year and 2 classes and get a career certificate. First-year students would come into the diesel program on Monday and Wednesday. The classes range from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. The second-year students will come to class on Tuesday and Thursday and will be in class from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Students that graduate the program typically start out around $16 to $18 an hour. Will find employment at dealership environments, fleet shops on the transportation and heavy equipment sides. The students that I look for in this program are students that have been around a farm or a construction company or transportation areas that have an interest in working on heavy equipment or trucks.